Hello? How you doing? What's going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video. Before we get started, make sure you ignite that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get into this video. This is the home tech video, tech that I have at home. So let's get into it. You guys will get a nice little quick apartment tour in the process as well. And so the first area we're about to look at is over here. And as you guys can see the brisk there, shout out to Lamar Wilson. I went hunting and my wife was hunting for the new Venom brisk and was nowhere to be found down here in South Carolina. Maybe it's only in California. That hurt my feelings dearly. But as we see down here, we got cables for days. You see my Essential adapter and my Google adapter for my phones, and then I have a Samsung adapter that I use to charge my tablet. This is like my charging hub over here by this lamp, this beautiful wooden lamp. Alright, next area, if you swing around by the light here, the one behind the camera is the wife, of course. If she wants to show herself, she can. And we got, oh, well, you guys got two fingers. And so down, if you look below, you see packages. See those packages right there? Those will be in the video coming up shortly. One has to do with, if you swing to the left, you also see a tablet that, I believe the tablet's right there too, isn't it? Yes, it is. A tablet's right there. And then you see my bag. I did a video what's in my bag. If you haven't seen it, check it out. There's tech in there as well. Headphones. My tablet's usually in there. You know, cords and whatnot. So check that video out. Alright, so we had a quick malfunction. If you look, you see there's a phone case down here. My phone slipped out of the case while I was recording. But if we look back up behind the bag, it's my wife's tablet with that Pro case on it. And then we got a little walk-in meter charging hub over here. All we do is charge in this house. So we swing back over here. And you see, back up a little bit, you know, back up a little bit so you can see your boy. We got this beautiful Hisense 50-inch right here. Technically maybe 49 inches, the 2015 model, 4K. It recently just kind of got some type of enhanced HDR format update to the TV, so it heightens it. And as you can see, PlayStation's hooked up with that Spider-Man theme on the PlayStation. It's on deck. You see the customed out PlayStation Spider-Man theme, how it should have been. Insomniac, get your game up.
Where's the other controller? The
other controller is behind us, but as we see, we got a regular red controller here. I'm gonna get that Magma one day, the Magma red controller. We see the PlayStation, the clock, the games, the Sony speaker and subwoof. If you know, pan to the left real quick. Shazam. And then, of course, you was looking for the controller. It's right here. It's on. And one of those packages had to deal with that controller. So we're going to be unboxing that shortly. All right. Now, let's look at me. Let's look this way. Where we going next in the house? Well, first you're going to see we got two laptops here. This is a Dell laptop. And then she has a Dell laptop that she don't even really use like that no more. It might be dead. I don't know. We haven't opened it in a while. RIP. And then we got over here. Swing around here. I'm gonna come in the room. She's probably gonna stop momentarily. This is where I shoot my videos. So if you guys hadn't caught on already, I'll be chilling on the floor. You know what I'm saying? I'm tall, so you know hopefully my upper body kind of makes it appear as though I'm standing. So good illusion on my part. Hey, we got the studio lights in here from Tech. The wife found those. These are the Studio Pro edition. And then we got my unboxing knife from Mount Rushmore down there. My little Karibo mic muff right there. I got another headphone adapter down there below. So that's all in this room. Otherwise, this is kind of like the clutter room. This is where all her stuff be at. We check out the kitchen real quick. Oh, you guys ready for some tech? You guys ready for some tech? We got the oven, you know what I'm saying? You can cook on top. You can get your heat on in the inside. I thought it was about to close. And then we got the refrigerator. You know what I'm saying? If you want to freeze things, put this stuff in the freezer. You don't want it frozen, put it down in the fridge. Y'all ready for this? We got a washer and dryer in there. That's all y'all gonna see today. We got clothes going on down there. Today is cleanup day. Where we going next? We're gonna hit this room up real quick. I think this is actually the last room. See this vacuum cleaner? $25. You know, the wife wasn't trying to spend that kind of money. We haven't needed to.
It wasn't no $25.
How much was it?
It was like 50.
I thought it was like $25.
No, what vacuum they sell for 20?
I mean, you'd be surprised. So $50 vacuum cleaner. The point is, you don't have to spend $1,000 on a vacuum cleaner to get the job done. So we come in here. We got some older games in here. We got a 32-inch Sony TV I've had for like 8 years. You know what I'm saying? I've had this TV for like 8 years. Since like 2010. That sounds about right. A long time. Actually 2009. This TV still stands strong. It's gonna move to that clutter room when we get a better Sony TV. We found a 43-inch model 4K that's like less than $300. We're gonna hook that up in this room one day. Now, if you come a little closer, you see this PlayStation 2 Slim right here? We got that in the building with the see-through controller, you know what I'm saying? And then we got that classic gray right there, you know what I'm saying? Ooh! You see, I'm PlayStation out right now. We got the PlayStation 4 Slim in here as well. This is the controller that came with it. This is the controller that's also about to get customed out. This is her controller. Now we're gonna find her some new
oh wait, I was
grips.
gonna do that one.
You gonna do this one?
Yeah.
Has she lost her mind?
Wait.
All right. And then we got games in here too. We got the Star Wars, Lego Star Wars. We got NBA Street or NFL Street. And then we do got NBA Street Volume 2. We got Rush Hour 2, the movie. And of course Horizon that she still hasn't beaten yet. Don't ask me why. I'll be on her all the time. Your boy got that Galaxy Watch on right here. We got the Gear S3 Frontier right there. We got a wireless charging deck that I used to use from my S8 that I don't use no more. And then we got this Aoki multi-USB hub right here with a quick charge 2.0 port right here that's hooked into the cable that's now on the floor for some reason that I use to charge if I have to at night my devices. Now we back up. It's the clutter drawer. You see GameStop bag in here. I'll be hanging up out there. This old Sony phone right here has been dead with that carbon fiber D-brand skin on the back. This was my Z3, I believe. My Z3 from the T-Mobile version. This sucker fell out the car and just passed away on me. You know what I'm saying? Bye. And then we got a smoke detector in there that gets chirpy and we just put it in there. Now here's the closet. Let me see that real quick. Let me see this real quick. All right. Ooh. Okay. You guys want to see? This is all the boxes down here where most of the stuff relies in the Essential box, Spider-Man box, the other PlayStation 4 box, my video mic, Me Pro box, the car mount box, which is right there. So, you know, there's other boxes down there. Of course, we don't have the TV box anymore. But that's all that's in the closet. There's no other tech in there besides all my basketball shoes. You probably might have saw a glimpse of a whole bunch of shoe boxes. We got the keys hanging up on the home dash right there. Stark is in the building. Yeah, you really can't see it. I think that's pretty much all the tech. If we check this little thing out here, we have a pair of Samsung headphones, AKG tuned. I think these are AKG tuned. If they're not, they're just regular Samsung headphones. They're pretty good. You know, she probably uses it more than I do because I use over the ear. Here's her tablet adapter, charging adapter. We got that old Samsung in the building, that flip phone. Oh, y'all remember that action? Oh! Hello? How you doing? Right. That's that flip phone, you know what I'm saying? I haven't actually used a flip phone in a while. We was out earlier today and they still have a flip phone. They like real old though, but they got a flip phone. I can't believe it. I was like, wow, flip phone is still being rocked today. We got her sad 7S 7 Plus. That's
no clowns. No.
Guys, you know, if you guys didn't notice, we got that essential phone. We got that essential phone. And then we got my tablet right here that I use to cast pretty much everything in life. The
essential trash, in the words of Flossie.
Excuse you and Flossie, okay. One thing you can ask her is, have you heard me say anything about the phone since I gotten it? Yeah, that's what I thought. Be quiet over there. That's what I thought. See what I'm saying? So, as you guys can see the lights, we don't have any Hue lights. We're going to buy some soon. I don't know if we're going to hook them up in an apartment. We're going to try to figure out a way, probably via our lamps. And if they actually fit in there, I think they do, since they are supposed to be used with like suspended lights or whatever. So we might get some Hue lights. We saw LG's tiles that you can hook up and they light up, so we might hook the place up with that. So I'm gonna try to keep this little home tech thing going whenever I actually do somewhat of a major update with tech in the house. You guys, you know, we're gonna do another home tech tour and then you guys will check it out. And then that's that. So as it is right now, I guess I can name this Home Tech 1.0, the official Home Tech 1.0. That'll be the title of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Your boy Versatile is signing out. And until the next video, wait for it.